What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on ICP Internet Computer, which has hit another green candle guys. It is up just over 10% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over $19. So we're going to be going through what is next for ICP. It's pumped up quite a bit over the last week, especially about 65% up guys, consistently hitting green candles. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping, potentially up to $30-40 over the coming days or weeks? And also looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. How high and how low can the crypto go, and is this a crypto to be investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we do have ICP here trading above the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from ICP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially down to around $19 is where I'm expecting it to drop down to. Nothing too crazy. However, it is also likely to hit green candles in between, pumping up in value. So do expect quite of a volatile trade over the next 12 to 14 hours, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. But again, just because it's on the negative side, it does not mean it's going to be a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal dip in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning over the coming week, so over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that is according to the graph. I am not expecting that. I am expecting an overall increase in value from ICP over the coming week. It should be hovering over the $23 mark is what my expectations are at the moment. So do expect more green days for the rest of the week and early next week as well, pumping up about a good 15 to 20% above where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean it's not likely to hit red candles and so on. Of course, red candles are always part of the process. It is likely to hit a red day in between, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect ICP to be hovering over the $23 mark by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking a little bit too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the reason they're looking so steep is due to the fact that there's been a major pump in value guys over the last week or so, and the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks and so on. However, that is not the case. So essentially, by mid to late May 2024, I am expecting ICP to be hovering over the $30 mark is what I'm expecting. It may sound like a major pump in value. However, giving it 2 months guys, it should be able to slowly and steadily hit green candles, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April. We should see increases in value from ICP. So yes, I'm expecting it to head over $30 by May, June is what I'm expecting at the moment. But If there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But anyways, I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on ICP to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we have initially broken out into the top tier level here. So essentially guys, yes, it has pumped up quite a bit and likely to pump up further, but before it does that over the coming week, it's likely to drop down to the resistance level here of $15 and then pump back up over $23 by mid next week is what I'm expecting. Do expect it to be quite volatile, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So overall, it is looking quite good for ICP, especially that Bitcoin has pumped up over $70,000 yesterday. It has had a positive impact on the crypto market overall. So heading into the Coin Market Cap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 12% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $659 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it has been performing quite well, not just over the last 24 hours, but over the week. It has been consistently hitting green candles, so we have been seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return has also helped the value of ICP pump up higher. And over the month, it has been quite of a shaky one. We did see a pump up in value and then drop back down in early March, and right now pumping again. So it has been quite wavy, but the overall outcome has still been on the green side, which is all that matters. So far so good for ICP, and I'm expecting it to carry on not pumping, but slowly and steady increases in value over the coming weeks and months, and we should essentially be able to hit $30 by mid-year and potentially heading up to about $45 in the second half of the year is what my expectations are at the moment. But I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting ICP to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.